this looks terrible. We're gonna go ahead and fix this today. We're gonna have to start by just kind of moving these bricks and getting them out of here. Okay, you get the point. I'm not really gonna bore you guys by making you guys watch me do all these, so fast forward. Oh, they're starting to get heavier. There's another layer of them back there now that I'm looking at them. I about just died. Do we keep the statue? Okay, so for the most part, I would say that we got it. Everything that's like making it lean, like the dirt is literally slanted this way. I think that's all I'm really gonna need to do. I might have to get at these bottom ones because they're kind of like looking at me. So that might be something I have to do. Well, y'all, we ran into an issue. This is my shovel. This is what I'm gonna have to work with. Okay, I think I'm just gonna have to go ahead and do these bottom ones. Because, like, the more I think about it, like, they're literally facing me. Okay, need everyone to subscribe so I get monetized, so I can get a new shovel. Please. I'm really excited to read the comments of this because it's probably gonna be a whole lot of "you're dumb, you have no experience." I know. I did that really well. I feel like I made that curve carving. Wow. Dude, multi-purpose tool right here. Check this out. I'm gonna go ahead and use this. I know it's not the actual thing that you're supposed to do this with, but I'm gonna use this to level out where the bricks are going. Woo. Yeah, that needs to be taken care of too while we're doing it. I'm gonna go see what we have to level using what I got. I found like a snow shovel, like an old, whoa, that's a line. That is a line right there. Just find a wire that runs there. Holy crap. Okay, we're not gonna mess with that anymore. Bad wire. I might actually, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna take these bricks out right here and just make it level. Okay, it might not be perfect, but it's gonna have to freaking work. I need to pressure wash it. I don't know how much time I have. I gotta take the dog to the vet. He needs to get his daily or his yearly shots, so I don't really know where I'm at, but this is what we got. I feel like it looks a lot better than what we started with, so. Okay, so I tried pressure washing it. I ended up actually just pressure washing myself. Instead, I'm soaking wet. There's the pressure washer. It's pressure washed. As you can see, it's definitely more up right now, and it's, you know, not laying in the bushes retaining area. After all the work that I just did, I found a shovel. A little bit about this house. I can't really go inside. Here, I can give you guys like a sneak peek. The house is done. The house is done inside. Oh shoot, it's a little dark. Brighten her up a little bit. House is done on the inside. There used to be a pool over there. You know, there used to be a pond in the back corner. We got to do this whole entire backyard. Honestly, the front yard actually looks pretty terrible. So I gotta have to do a lot with the front yard. But this all sounds like things that we can make content of. So if you guys are interested in that, just let me know. Over there we have more brick that we need to take care of. Look, shutter, no shutters. Bushes covering the entrance to the door. Not good. There's multiple layers. I don't know if you guys can see kind of back in the bushes, but there's multiple like levels. That fountain works. Maybe. I don't know. I'll plug it in sometime. Alright, if there's any videos that you guys do want to see, I would really appreciate you guys drop those in the comments. This is my first video, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button, get this monetized because I need a shovel. Thank you.